Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's video is very interesting because I'll be very quick, but I will give you something that you have never heard before. There are two types of double top. We have two types of double top, and every time you get involved in a double top, you need to ask yourself, what am I getting involved into? Which type of double top do I have? So the first double top is double top that happens on an uptrend. So in the next video, I'll be doing the second double top because I don't want to make this video very long. I want to make this video very short and straight to the point. So there are two types of double top. The first one is double top on an uptrend. What do I mean? When you open your chart, the market is trending above. So you have a market that is buying. So we can see that this market, the last low was here. And we have been buying for a very long time. Like the market is on an uptrend. So when the market now comes to this high, now we might experience a double top. So mark my words, double top on an uptrend, you have to have a trending market, trending on the upper side. Buyers are in control. So it is not easy to trade a double top on an upward market. The reason is because the market double tops always indicate a sell confirmation or a reversal, because double tops promote sell. So when the market is on an uptrend and you start seeing double top, don't be quick to get involved. We can see how all these double tops have failed in the past. So we can see the first double top here. The market wanted to come around this place, but it failed. And then we created a double top, it failed. Here we wanted to create a double top. So double top on an uptrend will always, most of the time, they are the ones that failed mostly. But now we want to see if this double top, how it will be and how even to trade it when you spot a double top on an upward market. So that is a very clear double top. The way we know or we identify that the double top is valid is by putting two lines, one on the body, the other one on the wick. So I have these two lines. So the rule is my double top is not supposed to, my second attempt, this leg is not supposed to break through. So I have already done a video on double top, so you can go and watch it. So it's not supposed to break through. If this happens, that double top is invalidated. So I hope from there you guys, you're familiar with that. If we can have a leg that maybe a candle that is breaking through, this double top already is violated. So in this case, we need to have market just getting rejected on this second attempt. So our first attempt is here. This is our second attempt. We don't want the market to break through. And put in mind, this is a double top on an uptrend, which is not easy to trade in the beginning. Why? Because everyone wants this market to reverse. So the only thing you can do is first you identify your neckline. So, and remember guys, the neckline is at the wick, not on the body. So let's identify the neckline and then we measure the half. Let's measure the half of this neckline. Let's measure the half. Let me measure for you the half. So make sure everything is in place before you wait to see if we'll get rejection. So this is our half. The only way I can tell you for sure how to trade double tops on an uptrend market, this half is very important. You see this green line that I've marked here? When you try to trade on the above here, the double top mostly get violated and it will break. But the minute the sellers come in and break this half, you can now target, you can enter here to here. This is 99% accurate, but getting on a double top on an uptrend around this zone is not easy. Why? Because you can even get a red candle, you can get even WBB, and then the market break through. So here it is 50% accurate, but when the market breaks the half is 99% accurate because it will go to the neckline. So let's mark our zone. So here we have a possible double top. So this is a possible double top. So we have our possible double top, and then again we have our neckline. So this is the neckline, guys. And you see them, you have to name it, because sometimes we tend to forget. We have the neckline, that is our neckline, and then now we have our half. This is our half. So I've told you, every double top on an uptrend, the one that is guaranteed is when the market breaks half with a body. Actually, if the market breaks half with the body, we don't even wait for retest. And half, it's meaning breaking with a what? We break with a body, not a wick. So if the market starts to go down, and then breaks this half, you can get in and target neckline. The one, let's say this, getting here, maybe using WBB here, let's say we are now trying to enter here to the half, because half is our first TP. Let's say it's 50% accurate. Getting around here neckline, a half to the neckline, let's say is 90% accurate. But when the neckline is broken, automatically we have a reversal. So don't take double tops on a uptrend. If they break now the neckline is just a small thing. Breaking neckline on double tops on uptrend means that market will reverse. So if the market now breaks our neckline, where do you think it will go? It will go back to where it came from. So the market will reverse. And the take profit, we always target the body, where the body is. That's where we target our take profit. So guys, that being said, you can now be able to trade double tops on an uptrend very easily. Let's see how we could have traded this market. So let's try and see how we could have traded this market. So the market still gave us a green candle, but because it has not broken this zone, the double top is still valid. Let's see. So we get a red candle, and if we get a red candle, what we do, we put a box. The WBB, I won't even go in details about WBB. I think I've told you enough. So we will put that box. And now what are we waiting? Is the market to break this box so that we can get in. So kindly understand that market trying to break this box, the first TP is here. The first TP is there. I hope you are getting it. So the first TP is there. So the next candle, so we are waiting for the market to break that box. And you can see eventually we have a break, a very clean break. We have a break there. So if at all we get involved in this market, our take profit is how many pips? 94 pips. Guys, this is the only way you can trade double tops. So we have a clean entry. So let's try to get involved in that short position. So I'll come here. And guys, don't target the neckline. The first goal is to target those 90 something pips. So we will target that 90 something pips. And then if at all we'll have a break here at the half, we'll get in and then the neckline. And then if the market breaks the neckline, you get involved in this trade and forget about the trade until it hit take profit. So let's try and see what happened. So the market, let's see if it hit our take profit. You can see how the market was very, very fine. It hit our take profit and again broke the half. So yes, we got those profit, but we are not done with this double top. We'll come again and re-enter there. So we are entering there and our take profit is there. So how many pips are we targeting? So that is our entry. Here is our entry. So we will be getting around 129 pips. So let's try and see if the market really did what we wanted. So did it reach to the neckline? So we want to see if the market tapped the neckline. So you have to be patient. You can see the double top really dropped. And you have to understand that not all possible double top behave the same way. This was just an easy double top, but if you know the rules, you could have even gained the first 90 pips, the next 100 and something. Now, what you're waiting is to see if this neckline will get broken. We want to see, will the neckline get broken? So we can even zoom. We want to see, will that neckline get broken? So let's see if the neckline will get broken. So try to tell me where you think the neckline will get broken. So you can see the neckline was broken by this doji. So what you do, you can even get in immediately. You can get in immediately. And now we will target half that place. We'll target half of, not even half, we'll target all the way here. So if at all you get in, always put in mind, when the neckline breaks, the market will retest. When the market breaks neckline, it will always retest. So when the market starts to go up, you don't have to say, oh, my analysis were wrong. No, the only thing you need to understand is, where can this market retest to? It can either come back there or here. So after the market breaks here, we have gotten in, but we know the market might retest to this place or this place. So don't be like, oh, if the market starts to go up, oh, I don't know, the market was wrong or I was wrong. So we can see that the market really manipulated people, and you can see now the market starting to retest. You can even put a sell order here and another sell order here and another maybe sell order here, because already this market is going down. There is no doubt about it. So once the market retests, you see, if you didn't get in here, you could have lost all these pips. So if the neckline is broken on a double top, that market usually go down. There's no doubt about it. And then now I can fasten this market to see what really happens. So you can see, in short, the market even hit our TP and continued down. The only thing that we understood here is the process, step by step. But many people want to get here and target neckline, or enter here and target all the way. You can see it's a 3-step entry level. And the minute the neckline is broken of any double top, the market will surely go down. So I hope you have understood that this double top on a upward market, if neckline is broken, the market will eventually go down, because it means it's a reversal, and that's the difference. And if the neckline is not broken, this market can either break half, come to the neckline, get rejected, and the upward market continues, or come to the half, get rejected, and the market continues. So the double top on an upward market, the 100% or 99% is when this neckline is broken. So kindly go and check USD CHF. It has double top on a weekly time frame, and the market is not breaking that half, the neckline. So once USD CHF breaks the neckline on weekly, we have a confirmed long-term sell. Thank you so much for watching. Come back again for double top example or double top type 2. Thank you, and I love you so much.